In this video, you'll learn how to manage chats in Kimi AI. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to access and organize your chat history effectively. Begin by navigating to Kimi AI. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Kimi AI URL in the address bar. Ensure that you are using the correct version K25, which integrates visual coding with Agent Swarm technology. Once the page loads, you should see the main interface of Kimi AI. Next, locate the chat history option. This feature is typically found in the main navigation menu. Click on chat history to proceed. After this action, you'll be directed to a new screen displaying your previous chats, allowing you to manage them easily. After that, select all chats from the options presented. This button should be visible on the chat history page. Clicking it will display a comprehensive list of all your previous conversations, making it easier to find specific chats. Once you have accessed the list, browse through the available chats. Identify the specific chat you wish to manage. You can recognize each chat by its title or the date it was created. Click on the desired chat to open it. This action will allow you to view the conversation details and any associated options for managing the chat. It is essential to consider the implications of managing your chats. If you have a large number of chats, loading times may vary based on your internet connection speed. Ensure that your browser is up to date for optimal performance. Additionally, if you are using a device with limited storage, check that you have sufficient space to handle any new data generated from your chat activities. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.